everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Treble, and today we want to see how to decrease in single, half double and double crochet. I made 10 chains and did 3 rows in the 4th row, made 2 single crochets, and now we want to decrease. So insert your hook into the next stitch and pull the yarn through the loop. Insert in the next stitch and pull it. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Now these 2 stitches are 1. This is how we decrease single crochet stitches. Now let's see how to decrease half double crochet stitches. For half double crochet decrease, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull through. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through. Now we have 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Now let's see how to decrease double crochet stitches. To decrease double crochet stitches, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull through. We have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next loop, next stitch. Now we have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This way we decrease our double crochet stitches. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't want to lose next tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in next videos. Bye!